Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a sand volleyball court in under 2 hours. So this is all that I did, and if you follow this step by step you can do the exact same thing. So first you get a lot of sand, and I suppose this took like 3 truckloads of sand, and I had them just come out and dump it right here in my yard. I went to the store, got a net, and I went to the hardware store or the lumber store and I got these poles. So I use these 4.5-inch spikes, and you can see I have it going in that side, coming out the other side, and then I built this base down here. Now you can see that's off the ground there, that's off the ground there, and that's off the ground there. So the weight of the net is pulling that kind of off the ground, which is fine because when you go up to spike it, you don't want there to be a lot of tension where you could take down the whole volleyball net. So that's kind of how that works. Now, these weeds and stuff like that have actually worked out okay. We use those as just markers. Like you can tell most of them grow kind of over there. We just call that the out of bounds. And then over here, some of these are actually edible. So we keep them around just in case we want a snack. But that's how the volleyball court was built. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments. I'm happy to answer what I can. Thank you.